Hey everyone, Matt Pisarcik from RazorEmporium.com coming at you today for another shave review video. We are looking at some new double-edged blades we just picked up for the store. So we like to do our famous rapid fire test and kind of compare and contrast them in real time. Let's get started. All right, for today's software, we're gonna be using some Razor Emporium barbershop soap. This is kind of my go-to for any kind of like comparisons or reviews where I want a soap that I'm really familiar with. It's not gonna really influence our results too much. It's kind of a neutral product. Very familiar with this, used it so many times that it's almost running out. We need to get a new one here on set because this one's getting low. Always a sign of a good soap you like that you're actually going to use all 4 ounces of it or 5 ounces, whatever you're getting. For today's brush, we're using a Simpson's Berkeley, kind of a smaller brush, probably a 24 millimeter, but it's what I reached for. And honestly, whenever people ask me about brushes, I'm like, guys, any brush, it's like a fountain pen. They can all do the job, you know. Yeah, sometimes the bigger ones are nicer, but look at that. Look, I got like Cool Whip. This is like the perfect consistency. Anytime I see these guys have a lather that's flaky and like thin, I'm like, come on. You got to agitate a little more. Try not to get it all over my shirt. Oh, well. Got the big Santa Claus lather going on. For today's razor, we're going to be using a 1947 through 1951. So these ones didn't have date codes on them. They got the rectangle lather holes. So post-World War II time frame Gillette Fat Handle Tech, as it's called. And for today's blades, we're really excited. We just got a bunch of new blades in from the Czech Republic. And also we have some old classics, Personna Comfort Coated. And we're just going to rapid fire these. I'm actually going to start with the Personna because I have used these in the past, but apparently they're new back to our store. We just got them back. And either we didn't have a rating for them or I was told I need a new rating. We just had to verify and make sure that we know where these guys stand. I had used these in the past, so I'm pretty confident where I'm going to grade them. If you're not familiar, we go 1 through 5 for our ratings. They are 100% subjective. This is just me with my opinion. That's all it's worth, guys. It's not a scientific test telling you this one's better than this one's sharper. It's all about my individual experience using it, what I perceive it as, my personal thoughts. I've also had another rule, a hard, fast rule that number 5 is reserved for feather. If you know, feather Japanese blades are regarded as the sharpest, crazy sharp on the industry. And I kind of held number 5 as just being for feather only. So we're going to see where they measure up. Here we go. Actually, quite nice. Just plowing through that hair. I got 2 days of growth. I can't go too much. I'm liking it because I got other blades to try. And she's a good one. I'm going to give her a solid 4. She's a 4. Very comfortable, very nice. No tugging, no pulling. That is a Personna Comfort Coated. We're going to immediately switch over to the 4 Czech blades. These are all coming from the same factory, and they're just different coatings and different materials. So we're going to go first with the Tiger Superior Premium Stainless Blade. I think I've used these once long ago in a galaxy far, far away. I gotta get one out. Here we go. So we'll give this guy a shot. And just goes to show you, I'm assuming, kind of foreshadowing here that we're gonna have a difference between these, even though they're out of the same factory, because materials and coatings make a big difference for the user experience of these guys. I'm gonna load this up quickly. Again, this is our Tiger Superior. Yeah, not quite as, a little bit more pulley, but still very comfortable. Is that a 3.5? Very nice. I still liked it a lot. rapid fire, go to the next one. And again, this is not, you know, I always say if you really want to get to know a blade, you need to use it, obviously, for your entire face. And you need to use it for multiple shaves, you know, week in, week out to really get to know it. But I think you should have like, it's kind of like if you're at a restaurant and someone brings like a appetizer for you to try. You take a little bite, I mean, you got like a pretty good feel about it. You don't have to eat the entire dish to know if you like it or not. And that's kind of what this is. It's like a little quick taste. And especially when you're going from one to the other, you can feel like, oh, this one was more tuggy, this one was more pulley, this was more smooth. Okay, this is in the gray packaging, this is the Tiger Platinum Premium Stainless Blade. Tiger Platinum. What's better, platinum or superior? I'm gonna give that a 3. It's even just a tiny less comfortable than the red one. Still very nice. I would still shave my entire face with that one. And the ones I'm actually really excited to try are these new, this is the new line from Czech Blades. This is called the Barbaro. And so they have two. They have the Barbaro Platinum and Barbaro Professional. So let's get these bad boys going. Yeah, you know, Czech Blades reached out to us and they said, hey, you guys should carry our blades. And I was like, cool, let's carry them all. Pick them up. All right. So this is the Barbaro Professional, and it's also a premium stainless blade. I'm going to have to go down on the chin. I'd match the other one. I called 3. Yeah, it's nice. She would do. And last but not least, we're going to try out the Barbaro Platinum. And I think I already know my favorite. I think I know what it is. I don't want to tell you guys yet, though. Maybe you can guess based off my rating so far. I'm someone who likes more of a sharp blade that's smooth and comfortable. I just want to do one pass. Some people do 2 or 3 different passes, you know, different directions. I just want to do one pass, clean, comfortable, close, hopefully without irritation. And so I'm all about kind of like the mid-sharp or sharper blades. This is the last one, Barbaro Platinum Premium Stainless Blade. You know, we'll do the rest of the chin. Oh, I do have a couple little nicks already. Look at that. Got some weepers. Oh. I'm going to go one step below the other one. So this is now a 2.5. Definitely a little more tuggy in the end. I guess that one got my chin. Look at that. Got a couple little weepers. I'm going back, guys. I'm going back to the comfort coated. All the Czech blades were very nice. I'm not hating on them. I like them. But this Personna comfort coated was like butter. Like butter. Okay, let's come over here. We're going to finish up with the Personna comfort coated. Just plowing through that hair. Liking it. They were all good. It wasn't like, you know, I wouldn't use it. I'll tell you what, the last couple months of not having a goatee, I have really come to appreciate shaving my chin. And I don't want to admit that I was wrong, but I may have been wrong. We would have people email, be like, well, Matt, you're not like really doing a full shave because you're leaving the chin, like you've got the goatee. And I'd be like, oh, it's all the same. But guys, this is like now my new battle is to not get little tiny weepers on my chin. It's so easy. This skin, I don't know why. I think it's a combination of the hair is so coarse. It's absolutely the coarsest hair on my face, and probably most guys' faces. And then also, the skin is so thin and tender. Yeah, look at that. I'm literally covered in weepers. It's embarrassing. Oh well. Some guys shave in their bathroom with no one watching them. I, however, go on YouTube and bare my soul for all the world to see. I do it for you, our loyal audience. I hope today's the day. Look at this. I'm a mess. I think that's the most blood you've ever seen on camera. It's like a shark attack in here. But it's all part of the experience. It's okay. I think I have a Steptic pencil. I'm gonna need it. Call 911. I reached down in my little bag of goodies over here. And yes, Steptic, come and save me. Steptic's like, it's like a natural salt stone. And it like just squeezes the skin closed, so it just wants to stop bleeding. So yeah, it's definitely stingy. It's okay. They were all good. Just goes to show you. My blade of choice at home, honestly, is either the Rex blades or that new Personna gem. Oh my gosh, I'm still loving it. But that Steptic pencil looks like it did its job. I got some relief, I think. And we'll throw a balm on top of it and really be good. We're gonna do this. I got 1988 Splash down here. It's another product we make. But I wanted the alcohol content, and I think this has got some aloe in it as well, and glycerin. What's in here? Alcohol, witch hazel, rose extract, alum, glycerin, yeah. So hopefully this will also help with some of the tightening everything up, stopping the bleeding. Woo! I feel like Home Alone. Ah! It's not time yet. That's for Christmas time. No, you know what? We finished up fine. A little bit of weepers happen. Get over it, guys. Just be glad no one's watching you on YouTube. That's all I got. I really like the Personna Comfort Coated, and I think the red tiger was my second favorite. So, but these videos are needed. You know, our little blade sample packs and stuff we put out, we like to have the ratings. And again, it's just my subjective opinion. And that's all I got. If you've used some of the tiger blades before, which one did you like? If you've used the OG Comfort Coated, tell me all about it. I want to hear from you in the comments. Please tell me your favorite blades. If it's not these, which ones are they? We want to hear from you. That's all I got. Please like this video if you liked it. Share it with someone who needs to see it. Subscribe to our channel if you're not already subscribed. And we'll see you next time at Razor Emporium for all things vintage shaving. Thanks, guys.